What up everyone, this is going to be a quick review on the Corgeut Seamaster. I know you guys got places to go, so I'm not going to ramble on for over 10 minutes and get straight to the review. This is the box that the Corgeut watch comes in. Let's take a look inside. This is the Corgeut watch that pays homage to the Omega Seamaster. It's the most expensive out of all four watches, retailing at $125. It weighs in at 145 grams, case diameter 41 millimeters, thickness is 11.6 millimeters, lug to lug is 47.6 millimeters, lug width is 20 millimeters, and the strap tapers down to 18 millimeters. So this watch is the smallest out of all four. It's very slim and perfect for people who have smaller wrists. Unlike the other three watches, this does have the sapphire crystal glass, which is a big plus. This is self-winding with resistance of up to 50 meters. It has a brushed finish on the face and polish on the sides. I'm really feeling the vertical brushed blue face. I think this makes it look more professional and clean. This is your typical screw down crown. The first thing I noticed about this watch is that the crown doesn't go down all the way. You can still see a little bit of the screws sticking out. I played around with this watch for about an hour and I just can't screw down the crown any more than this. I'm thinking this might be defective because I really don't think it's supposed to be like this. Moving on to the straps, it has a brush finishing on the outer links and the polished finish on the middle links. Brush finishing looks very smooth and the strokes are consistent. Craftsmanship on the strap looks great. This has a butterfly clasp and it does have half links, so you'll get the perfect fit. Again, this strap does taper down from 20 millimeters to 18 millimeters. On the back, you'll notice an exhibition case back, which always looks cool. The movement is a Miyota 8215. It's a great movement, but very precise and accurate with a lot of history behind it, so that's a big plus. It's also worth noting that the glass on the back is mineral and not sapphire crystal like the front, but that's okay. It's the front where it's more prone to scratches. The wheel is pretty loud when it spins, so that's something to watch out for. Let's move on to the lume. The hand looks really good. It's a lot brighter than the indices, which is what matters the most. The lume looks smooth and clear. The indices will fade first, but the minute and hour will still go strong after, but don't expect this to last all night. Out of all four watches, the fit on this watch is my favorite. It's not big and bulky, it's sleek and looks great in both a casual or a professional setting. The half links are a big plus for that perfect fit. It's very comfortable against the wrist, it's lightweight, and I really like the tapering on the strap. The only issue is that the crown won't screw down all the way, and I really don't know why. Overall, I give this watch a 6.5 out of 10. I think everything besides the screw down crown is done very well. I think you really get your money's worth. It has a nice Miyota movement, the dimensions are spot on, the brushing on this is smooth, and it looks great on the wrist. This really does justice to the Omega Seamaster and at only 1% of the cost of a real Seamaster. That's it for this week's video. Let me know in the comments what you think of the Corgeut Seamaster. I have an entire playlist of watch reviews right here, so check that out if you love watches. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.